Hello friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. We learn to lead. My name is Vikas. So friends, in today's video we'll be looking at the important books and authors of the February month. The books and authors are the most important that I have covered in this video. Just watch the video till the end and you will be remembering most of the books from after watching this video, because the format in which it is provided is just one liner: name of the book, the author of the book, who published this book, and if there is an information, important information related to that book, it has been covered. In today's time the question in the papers are not direct, or they can be a little bit tricky, so everything is covered in this video. Just watch it till the end. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel and do like the video. So let's start. But before that, we have something interesting to tell you about. We have an app by the name Careers Cloud, which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to the this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be move to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay. Also, we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from that, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here the we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. All you have to do is go and purchase the course. If you are a new aspirant, you can take course for 2 years, and if you are a previous aspirant and you have continued your preparation, then you can choose the course as per your wish. Another additional information you should know while buying the course: if you use the code Vikas10, and we have bought this code just for you, use the code Vikas10 and my friends, you will be getting straight 10% discount on the purchase you made. So you can save a lot of money by using our code Vikas10. Let's move to our video now. So let's start with our first book. The name of the first book is our Yearbook. Yearbook. Who is the author of Yearbook? He is a reputed Hollywood actor by the name Seth Rogen. He is Seth Rogen. Alright, and he is a famous Hollywood actor, comedian, and a writer too. Alright, so he is the author of Yearbook. Seth Rogen, important. Who published this book? If we look at the publishing house, then this book was published by Crown Publishing Group. Alright, Crown Publishing Group. And also remember that the audio edition of this book was released by Penguin Random House Audio. That is, the audio version of this book was released by whom? Penguin Random House. Penguin Random House. Alright, then this was your yearbook. Next, the next book we'll be looking at is our Yes Man. Is Yes Man, the untold story of Rana Kapoor. The untold story of Rana Kapoor. Alright, who is the author of this book? If we look at the author's name, the author of this book is Pawan C. Lals. Pawan C. Lals. Alright, and if we talk about the publication house, that is the publishing who published this book, was who? It was Harper Collins. Alright, this book was published by Harper Collins. Yes Man, the untold story of Rana Kapoor. Author is Pawan C. Lals. Next, the next book we'll be looking at is The Life at Play, a memoir by Girish Karnadji. Mark this book important. Alright, The Life at Play. And it can also be a memoir by Girish Karnadji. A memoir by Girish Karnad. This book is important. We wrote important, just mark it very important. The reason this book is important is because, first of all, look at it, the author. Who is the author? The author of this book is Girish Karnadji. Alright, the author of this book is Girish Karnadji. The reason this book is important because Girish Karnadji has been awarded or has been honored with Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan also. He was honored with Padma Shri in 1974, and then he was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1992. Alright, so this is the reason this question is important. The name of the book authored by Girish Karnadji is The Life at Play, a memoir by Girish Karnadji. Alright, then remember this book was translated from Kannada into English. Alright, this book was translated from Kannada into English. From Kannada into English. Alright, then this was released on the 83rd anniversary. 83rd anniversary of Girish Karnadji. Alright, and then if we talk about the publishing house, that who published it, the publication was Harper Collins India Publisher. Harper Collins India Publisher. Alright, getting back, The Life at Play, a memoir by Girish Karnadji. Important, very important. Next, the next book is also important. The name of the book is Little Book of Encouragement. We have covered this book earlier in earlier videos also. The Little Book of Encouragement. As shown in the pic, he is none other than the reputed person by the name Dalai Lama Ji. Author of this book is Dalai Lama Ji, and this book was published by Penguin Random House India. Penguin Random House India. Most of the books in India are published by the Penguin Random House only. So remember it that if in a question you are not able to judge that which book is which publication is the answer, so the chances will be high that it will be Penguin Random House, but it is not that every time it will be Penguin Random House. The chances will be high. Alright, and if we look at some other books authored by Dalai Lama Ji is Inner World. Then The Seed of Compassion. The Seed of compassion. These are some of the important two books authored by Dalai Lama ji. All right, then moving on to the next. Next is our Whereabouts. The name of the book is Whereabouts. All right, and the author of this book is, as seen in the picture, she is Jhumpa Lahiri ji. Jhumpa Lahiri ji. All right, remember, she's a Pulitzer Prize awardee. She received an important award in literature, that is Pulitzer Prize, and this is an important award in the field of literature. All right, then if we talk about the publication, it was published by, as I mentioned, Penguin Random House India. Penguin Random House India. All right, then remember, this novel was originally written in Italian. This novel was originally written in Italian, but it was translated into English by Jhumpa Lahiri ji. All right, this was translated from Italian to English. Whereabouts. Next book we'll be looking at is 1857, The Sword of Mastan. The Sword of Mastan. Who wrote this book, or who is the author? The author of this book is Vineet Bajpai. Vineet Bajpai. And the publication is Tree Shade Books. Tree Shade Books. And remember, the Hindi edition of this book was also published by them. That Hindi edition was also published by the Tree Shade Books, by this publication. All right, and this is a Delhi based publication house. This is Delhi based. All right, The Sword of Mastan by Vineet Bajpai. Next book is our Parliamentary Messenger in Rajasthan. Parliamentary Messenger in Rajasthan. And this book was written by whom? Dr. K.N. Bhandari. Dr. K.N. Bhandari. You just need to remember this name regarding this book. Publication is not important in this case. Parliamentary Messenger in Rajasthan was written by Dr. K.N. Bhandari ji. As you can see in the picture, Dr. K.N. Bhandari. All right, then moving on to the next. Next book is our Platform Scale for a Post-Pandemic World. Platform Scale for a Post-Pandemic World. All right, Platform Scale for a Post-Pandemic World. Written by whom? Sangeet Paul Chaudhary. It was written by Sangeet Paul Chaudhary. Sangeet Paul Chaudhary. All right, and the publication house was Rupa Publication. Rupa Publication. All right, Platform Scale for a Post-Pandemic World. Then the next book is our Beautiful Things. The name of the books is Beautiful Things. And it was written by whom? Written by Hunter Biden. Our next book is Platform Scale. Platform Scale. Platform Scale for a Post-Pandemic World. The name of the book is Platform Scale for a Post-Pandemic World. This book was written by whom? It was written by Sangeet Paul Chaudhary. Sangeet Paul Chaudhary. Remember, this is the second edition. Second edition. The first edition of this book was in 2015, and the publication of through which this book was released is Penguin Random House India. Penguin Random House India. All right, platform scale for a post pandemic world. Then next book we'll be looking at is By Many a Happy Accident Recollection of Life. Is By Many a Happy Accident Recollection of a Life. Recollections of a Life. This book was written by whom? It was written by Hamid Ansari ji. It was written by Muhammad Hamid Ansari ji. All right. Then who this book published? This was published by Rupa Publications. This was published by Rupa Publications. All right. By Many a Happy Accident Recollection of a Life. Moving on to next. Next book is your Beautiful Things. Next book is Beautiful Things. This book was written by whom? This book was written by Hunter Biden. Hunter Biden. Hunter Biden is the son of Joe Biden. And who is Joe Biden? Joe Biden is the Who is Joe Biden? Joe Biden is the president of USA. Is the president of USA. Tell me the number of president, like on which place or which is the number of president of USA, Joe Biden. All right, this is your homework. Then Hunter Biden is the son of the Joe Biden, and this book, The Beautiful Thing, was published by Gallery Books. Published by Gallery Books. All right, Beautiful Things by Hunter Biden. Next book. Next book is your The Terrible, Horrible, Very Bad, Good News. I repeat, The Terrible, Horrible, Very Bad, Good News. Who wrote this book? This book was written by Meghna Pant. This book was written by Meghna Pant. And this is the second novel of this author. Second novel for Meghna Pant. And this book was published by whom? This book was published by Penguin Random House India, as usually. This book was published by Penguin Random House. All right, then Terrible, Horrible, Very Bad News was written by Meghna Pant, as seen in the picture. Next book is your Kamala's Way, An American Life. Kamala's Way, An American Life. All right, this book is the biography of Kamala Harris. This book is the biography of Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris, she became the vice president of USA, and she is the only woman to hold this post of vice president in history. All right, first women vice president of USA. All right, then who wrote this book? This book was written by an TV author or a TV anchor by the name Dan Moren. Dan Moren. As you can see in the left, Dan Morin, and in the right you can see Kamala Harris, who is the Vice President of USA. All right, Kamala's Way, An American Life. It is a biography of Kamala Harris. Then moving on to the next book. Next book is your Mapping Love. Next book is Mapping Love. Written by whom? Mapping Love was written by Ashwini Iyer Tiwari. It was written by Ashwini Iyer Tiwari. Alright, then this is her debut fictional novel. This is her debut fiction novel. Alright, in the category of fiction, this is her debut novel. That means in the fiction category, this is the first novel of Ashwini Iyer Tiwari. Then, if we talk about the publication house is Rupa Publication. Publication house is Rupa Publications. Alright, next book is your Ashoka Asutra. Ashoka Asutra. Ashoka, this book is related to Ashoka, a reputed or a famous king of Mauryan dynasty. Alright, he was a famous king or a great emperor of Mauryan dynasty. Who we are talking about? Ashoka. Alright, then related to Ashoka, they remember that he is related from Mauryan dynasty. You must all be studying this in your GK, general knowledge. Alright, all these dynasties, these are important. So Ashoka Asutra, this book is related to Ashoka. It is a imagined memoir or Ashoka the Great. He is from Mauryan Empire or a Mauryan dynasty. Then who released this book? This book was released by, who is the author of this book? He is Irvin Allen Seeley. Alright, and this book was published by, means the publication was Penguin Random House. Penguin Random House. Apart from this, remember, if we are talking about Ashoka and additional information, there is a iron pillar related to Ashoka, and this was built by Chandragupta ji. Okay, it was built by Chandragupta, iron pillar. Then moving on to next book. The next book is your Saraswati's Gift. Saraswati's Gift. Who is the author of this book? It is written by Kavita Kane. Kavita Kane. Alright, then important thing to remember about this book is that it was acquired by Penguin Random House, and this book was published by Ebury, and it was published by Ebury Publishing and Vintage. This Ebury Publishing Vintage is a part of Penguin Random House. Okay, you can say it is an additional branch of Penguin Random House. So Saraswati's Gift, this book was written by Kavita Kane, and this book was acquired by Penguin Random House, but this was published by Ebury Publishing and Vintage. Alright, so it is the same company, but it is a different branch of the company. Next book is your Fractured Mosaic. Fractured Mosaic. This book is written by Sabarna Roy and published by Lead Start Publishing Private Limited. Lead Start Publishing Private Limited. Alright, next book is very most important, you can say. This book is very important because we'll see in this. The name of the book is The Epic Battle of Longewala. The Epic Battle of Longewala. Important thing to remember about the Battle of Longewala was that this battle was between India and Pakistan. India won in this battle, and this battle took place where in Thar Desert of Rajasthan. This book, The Epic Battle of Longewala, is in released for in the memory of this war, that is during the 50th anniversary, or you can say the golden jubilee, to celebrate the win over Pakistan during the fifth, and this is the 50th anniversary of this battle of Longewala. So this book, The Epic Battle of Longewala, was released. Important thing to remember about Longewala War is also that it took place in 1971. All right, it was between India and Pakistan. It held in 1971. It took place in Thar Desert of Rajasthan, and this book was released during the 50th anniversary as a celebration of Indian victory over Pakistan in 1971. Then another thing that makes this question important is that who released this book? Release means who, you can say who launched, not released. Who launched this book? This book was launched by R.K. Singh Bhaduria ji. R.K. Singh Bhaduria sir ji released or launched this book. Who is R.K. Singh Bhaduria? He is the Chief of Air Staff. That is the reason this question becomes important. He is the Chief of Air Staff. All right. He launched this book. That's why the Epic Battle of Longewala was important and can be asked also, because this year it has the 50th anniversary of the India's victory over Pakistan, and this battle took place in 1971. All right, so mark this question very important. If you are not taking notes, then do take of this particular information. Do note down this particular information, because it has higher probability of question being asked. All right, then next question. Next book is your Louis Banks. Louis Banks, A Symphony of Love. A Symphony of Love. Who wrote this book? It was written by Ashish Ghatak ji. It was written by Ashish Ghatak ji. And remember, this book is the biography of Louis. Okay, it is the biography of Louis Banks. And if we talk about the publishing, who published it? It was published by Rupa Publications. It was published by Rupa Publications. Then next book. Next book is your Indian Economy's Greatest Crisis. Indian Economy's Greatest Crisis. All right, Indian Economy's Greatest Crisis. Who authored this book or who wrote this book? It was written by Arun Kumar. Arun Kumar. All right. Arun Kumar wrote this book. It was written by Arun Kumar. Then, if we talk about the publishing house, the publishing house is Penguin Random House. It is Penguin Random House. Then remember, these books also tell us about the India's response toward corona. How India is responding towards corona. Is their effect of the medicine or the vaccine provided in India on the people? How good is Indian government tackling the pandemic? Are the supplies sufficient? Are the doctors getting the proper are the doctors getting their proper medical kits, the PPE kits, and is the facilities provided by the government for the people of India, are they adequate? So in this book all these topics are being talked about, and if you want to read this book, it is a good book that will give you an ample number of information about what is going currently in the world and in India. All right. So, Indian economy's greatest crisis, impact of coronavirus and the road ahead. It was written by Arun Kumar and published by Penguin Random House. Next book. Next book and the last book of the day is Agriculture Acts 2020. Agriculture Acts 2020. Mark this book also important because this book is regarding the three controversial farm laws because of which all these farmers in India are protesting on the borders of Delhi. Okay, so the chances are high that this question can also be asked, like who is the author of Agriculture Act 2020? The author of this book is A.K. Ranjanji. A.K. Ranjanji. So this is the reason that this book is based on the three controversial laws that makes this book important and can be asked in your exam. So author of Agriculture Act 2020 is A.K. Ranjan Ji. Alright, so that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed and liked the video. Share this video with your friends so that they can also enjoy and learn the ample information we are providing. Trust me, Affairs Cloud is the best YouTube channel where you can study and get the information regarding your current affairs, and that will help you in your preparation a lot. Alright, if you are a new to this channel, then all you have to do is go and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it. That will help us to motivate and make better videos for you, and it will help you to get a reach of the beautiful and most interesting content that we make. So that's all. Vikas signing off.